Hi everyone, and welcome back to Scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon poppy seed cupcakes. These cupcakes are moist, fluffy, and bursting with lemon flavor. For our cupcakes, we'll need 2 eggs, 1 lemon, 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of butter, 3/4 cups of half and half or whole milk, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. For our icing, we'll need another 1/3 cup of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of half and half or whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We'll start by preheating our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a muffin tin with paper liners. Next, we'll zest and juice our lemon. We'll need 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for our cupcakes, as well as 2 tablespoons of lemon juice later for our icing. Then we'll whisk together 2 1/4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, our 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, we'll cream together our 3/4 cups of butter and 1 1/2 cups of sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then we'll beat in our 2 eggs and add our 3/4 cups of half and half or whole milk and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice until mixed well. Then mix our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients until well combined. Once our batter's combined, we'll fill our muffin cups about 3/4 of the way full with batter, and then bake them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. About 25 minutes. Once baked, we'll remove our cupcakes from the pan and let them cool completely on a wire rack. After our cupcakes have cooled, we'll start to make our icing. While it's possible to do this by hand, I'm going to be using a stand mixer. We'll beat our 1/3 cup of softened butter until smooth and creamy, on medium-low speed with the paddle attachment. Then we'll gradually add 4 cups of our powdered sugar, about a half cup at a time, scraping down the sides as necessary. Then we'll add our 2 tablespoons of half and half or whole milk, and remaining 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and beat our icing until it's fluffy and smooth. We'll frost our cupcakes with our icing, using a piping bag or a knife. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.